Adjust the seat. Adjust back, pillow. Seatbelts on. Forgot seatbelt fail. Accessory mules. Confirm empty gear. The brake is pulled up. Turn on the power. The instrument lights up. Check the handbrake battery. Check engine, oil temperature, gasoline okay. Start the engine. The instrument is normal. Step the brake to times. Wink left first. Swing and say check. Okay, go. Release the handbrake you drive. First move and turn on the red brake. Keep what is right. Take a look at the right windshield until you can see the white line of the turn. 10-12 o'clock. Inside handles white line match. To the next 12 o'clock. It's a big turn. See Katan to the end. Otherwise, the car will touch the red line. Okay. Look forward. Full black line on the apple. Use center mid-second black line. Or a small magnet on the Weber. Met to the second line from left. Put the car straight and stop here. You need to stop and then drive. Non-stop or fair. After the lights off, you can go. Ramp parking. Ramp parking. Magnet. Magnet to the second line and look for and keep the car straight. Adjust if you feel no stretch. Until can see the black line or tension to the left. Mirror past the blue box at. Stop the car and pull the handbrake. Mirror most between box edge and pole. Slowly release the brake to see if it will slip. Validate the accelerator. Check left side of the car and the black line. Is there any deviation? If crooked, make adjustments. Check the gap to all time to see if it's tilted. If okay, you can start. Start the ramp action. First, start to slowly accelerate. Step on the accelerator gently. Stabilize your foot when the speed in 1. Hold the accelerator and then press that. You can release the handbrake. And it will go up steadily. Valley road bank went downhill. Brake and slow down when downhill. Okay, it's a big turn. You can't see the turn line at that point. Turn 12 o'clock. Look out the window again. Inside handles Wi-Fi match. Don't turn at all. Because if you turn over Y, the right side will easily approach the line. Just keep the front aligned with the road. Okay, look at the road here. Start to slowly adjust the steering wheel. Straight the car completely. Then you can stop and test right. If all on the line, must stop and go. You can't just drive indirectly. No stop, lose 30 points. Look left and right and say check. Then you can start. People should look wonder is the place where black and white meet. The small nail of the Weber, the pointed part, met the black line all time. Don't drive too fast in a line. Keep straight. Under the line, match foot white block. Hit line, will lose 32 points. Don't drive too fast here, will lose control. Prepare to enter the train crossing. Press the first pipeline. The horn will sound. Cover the second line in the car. You need to stop. No stop, lose 32 points. After the light off, you can go. Turn red light first. Say trip before starting to move. Start moving. Enter the examination area. Supervisor may be target area 1 or 2. The bin should be at all times. This curve is a big turn. Can't see the white line, only a point. 12 o'clock. Inside handle away by match. Turn right over the way. Because of the big turn, don't eat any line. Careful, easy to overlook here. Look at the roll ahead. You can slowly straighten the steering wheel to straighten the car. Enter the test area. Turn on right turn blink area. If you miss blank, turn on the media play. Otherwise, you'll lose the 2 points. It's a 90-degree right angle turn. Must turn the wheel over I. The same way at the Pacific year 2012 o'clock. Handle the stone match. Turn right all the way. To the stone, turn right to the end. Check if the gap is close. Make adjustments. Careful not to hit the stone. If it's getting closer, you need to make corrections. Gap narrower is better than wider. Okay, look at the road. Another test area had magnet 100 in the middle. Move the car to the right. Adjust the car to a straight line. Reverse parking and parallel parking should in the middle. To make it standard. Shoulder to the tree. Shoulder to the tree. Next, do 3 actions. Right blink. Shift gears to R. Turn right to the end. After turning, look to the right. To see if it will be hit. If it doesn't hit the line, don't correct. If it's too small, you need to correct at 12 o'clock. If it's just right, don't correct it. If you correct it, you will hit the other side. When the car is straight, look at the other side. It's not completely parallel. Wait for it to be straight. Because it is a fish glasses. It looks like it's tilted. It's correct. Then straighten it. After tire straight. Then look at the black line. Stop when it's half of the handle. If you hit the line, it will count 16 points. It will only count once. You can't move forward. You will be count 32 points. You still need to enter. Your front wheels need to enter the box. If you don't enter, you will be fail. Drive out. Blink right first. Then turn your head to check. Shift the gear. Inner handle to the island. Turn it to the end. Check if we'll hit the line. If it's small, you need to correct. If hit the line, deduct 16 points. If you hit the left white line, you'll get 32 points. The most reason for failing the exam is hit the white line on the left. Next, magnet to the middle of the road. When you're in the middle, tire straight.
Magnet in the middle. Shoulder to yellow board. Shoulder to yellow board. Do 3 action. Blink. Put into a gear. Turn right to the end. Take a look the right side safe. Okay, right side is safe. Look at the other side. The handleback touch the white line. Touch line, tire straight. Must be perfect matched. The front of the handle touch the line. Cannot over too many. Hit, turn left to the end. Parallel parking, no need to straight. The front tire just in is okay. Your head must look out. Tire must cross the line. If not into box, fail. Just enter the box, stop car. If you insisted straight, maybe hit back line. Next, move forward. Blink left. Shift to drive. Right A point to far island. Right A point to far island. Not too fast. A pillar point to the distant safety island. A point to the distant safety island. Tire straight. The handleback touch line. Handleback touch the line. Turn right to the end. Check the right side will be safe. If too closed, must corrections. Then magnet to middle. Magnet to middle, tire straight. Next, into S lane must blink first before enter.
S lane. 2 S lane, choose 1. Early right blink. Handle to the black line. Turn right to the end. Left A point to line. Tire straight. Left handle over the line. Handle over line. Turn left to the end. Keep left side same gap. Getting closer, adjust to 12. Became wider, turn left to the end. The left A point to line. To line, tire straight. Right A point to the black line. I see right, I turn right to the end. Keep right side same gap. Getting closer, adjust to 12. Became wider, turn right to the end. Front of car straight, tire straight. Turn tire straight. No straight will hit both sides stone. Continue to move forward. The line to the handle middle stock car. Because it's a white line ahead cannot be crossed. Finish the S lane forward. Backward. Handle over line the gap, turn right all the way. And keep same gap close to the line. Adjust all the time. No points will be scored if you press the line backwards. The right side closer to the line is better. Becomes wider, you won't be able to get out. The right corner is close to disappear. Right side okay. Attention the left side. A finger gap appear in line and car on the left. A finger gap appear tire straight. In S, move and turn the steering wheel without stopping. If you stop once in the S lane, you lose 8 points. Left handle over the corner a small V, turn left all the way. I see left, I turn left all the way. The left side closer to the line is better. Narrow can be corrected. If it's too wide, we'll hit the other side. The left corner disappears, look at the right. No points will be deducted for hitting the line backward. If almost to hit a stone, you must move forward. Forward minus 8 points at a time, with a maximum of 2 chances. 2-finger gap appear on the right corner. 2 fingers wide, turn right tire straight. Remember to turn on the blink first. Don't turn on the light after backward. Blink jumps, must turn it on again until turning completed. Left handle over the corner a small V, turn right all the way. I see right, I turn right all the way. Keep same gap, don't hit the stones and lines both sides. Don't go too wide, we'll hit white line on left side. Then make sure both sides are safe. Nose to the middle of the road. Then stop the car tire straight.
Go to the end. You will pass a traffic light. Yellow light, red light, stop, green light, go. Okay, go through the traffic light. Don't stop on the zebra crossing. Park on the zebra crossing, fail. Pass the green light and reach the finish line. As long as there is any car stop, you must look around before starting. Forget look around, you'll fail. Okay, to the end. Finish the ending motion and reach the end. Park in P gear. Pull up the brake. Turn off the engine. Unfasten the seatbelt. Open the door in 2 steps. Check if there is any vehicle behind first. Push it 10 centimeters. And look again for oncoming traffic before getting off. Close the door after getting off to finish the exam.